So start your multi-vendor business where a customer can book food, grocery, e-commerce shopping, meat delivery, pharmacy delivery, parcel delivery, everything in one app sitting at their home from their nearby sellers, and you can earn commission or subscription. Yes, you can join your city nearby sellers by commission and subscription, both options. You will get a customer app, seller app, delivery boy app, a customer app like this where a customer can see his categories and he can click on any category and see the sellers nearby. He can see products and he can make an order. And a seller app where seller can accept orders like this. A delivery boy app where delivery boy can accept order and by per kilometer ride he can get his earning. Easy and very good business model. The nearby sellers will connect to you so that they can sell the products in their city. You can join the nearby seller. They can connect with you by commission or monthly subscription. That's your choice. So if you want to start your own city online application, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. So the team can make an amazing application for you. For more, kindly watch all the videos. I'll see you in the next video. Products Making World Online.